Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create beautiful AI-generated videos using the Bing mobile app. Yes, from your phone. It's completely free, beginner-friendly, and no editing experience is needed. Let's get started. First, download the Bing app from the Play Store or App Store. Then log in with your Microsoft account. Once logged in, you'll see the Homepage tab at the bottom. Tap it, then click on the Video Creator option. Here you will see a clear interface like this. You will also have the option to get images, which cost 15 coins each. Currently, the video option is free for everyone. Now, let's make a video. Now type what you want the video to be about. For example, a peaceful mountain sunrise with birds chirping. From here, you can select the ratio and duration and the speed. Right now, you will get only 9:16 ratio and 5 seconds duration. In the speed section, you will get two options, fast and standard. You will get 10 free video generations at fast speed. I am keeping it fast and then click on Done, then click on the Create button. The AI will generate a short cinematic video for you, totally based on your words. It usually takes 30 to 60 seconds. Okay, here's the result. Wow, the visuals are really calming. The lighting and forest vibes feel natural. It's not super high res, but for something generated in under a minute, this is impressive. You can also regenerate it with a different prompt or try small tweaks for better results. When you're happy with the result, just tap the download button from here or click here to share directly to WhatsApp, Instagram, or YouTube. Now let's try something completely different. This time, I'll go with a futuristic sci-fi theme. A robot city in the year 3000, flying cars, glowing buildings at night. Sounds cool, right? Let's check it out. Okay, this one is bold. The neon lighting looks great, and the AI captured the futuristic vibe really well. The camera movements feel cinematic, fits the action vibe. For the last one, let's try something fun and cute. I'll type a cat wearing sunglasses, dancing on the beach during sunset. Let's see how Bing handles this. Okay, here's the video. Let's check it out. Haha, this is adorable. The animation is so perfect. The cat looks like original, and the cat is moving so fast. Also, the colors and beach vibe are great. It nailed the playful mood, and I love the sunset lighting. This one's definitely fun for memes or reels. So what do I think? Honestly, I'm pretty surprised. For a free tool inside a mobile app, Bing's Video Creator gives decent results. It's not perfect. Some clips feel a little AI-ish, and there's no deep customization. But for casual videos, short content, or inspiration, it's amazing. Best for social media, great for storytelling, free and fast. If you want to try it, just download the Bing app and make your video. Comment your favorite video from this test, forest or robot city, or the dancing cat. If you enjoyed this demo and review, drop a like, hit subscribe for more AI tools.